The Cold War was a state geopolitical transition after World War II between powers in the Eastern Bloc, which are the Soviet Union and its satellite states, and the powers in the Western Bloc, which are the United States and its NATO allies, and others. The Cold War started from 1947 to 1991. The NATO stands for North Atlantic Treaty Organization. It is a military alliance of the Western powers. It was set up in 1949. It was set up to provide a counterforce of the Soviet armies of Eastern Europe and to protect other NATO countries from the threat of communism. An ideological conflict between the communists of Soviet Union and its allies and the capitalist liberal democratic in the United States and its allies. This political and economical and social conflict used propaganda and economic measures rather than direct military conflict. There were 12 members of the NATO, which were Bulgaria, Britain, Canada, Denmark, France, Iceland, Italy, Luxembourg, Netherlands, Norway, Portugal, and the United States. Warsaw Pact was Stalin's response to NATO in 1955. It was set up because the Soviets claimed that it was to protect the members' nations, but it actually was to give their control of the members' nations' armies, who were a part of the Warsaw Pact, were communist Europe nations such as the USSR, Bulgaria, Poland, and also China. Space race was the battle between the United States and the Soviet Union to be the best and the first in exploring space. Glasnost was the policy of openness initiated by Khrushchev in 1980s that provided increased opportunities for freedom of speech, association, and the press in the Soviet Union. The Berlin Wall was a barrier constructed by the German Democratic Republic, GDR, East Germany, started 13 August 1961, that completely cut off West Berlin from the surrounding East Germany and from East Berlin. That ended in 1989, November 9th.